Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the Macclenny Walmart for the Christian Cruisers of Baker County or Macclenny or whatever it was, and their annual car show, their second annual car show. This was a great event. Lots of cars out there. Unfortunately we got there a little bit after they had started, and the bottom fell out of the sky. It commenced to pouring down rain like 5 minutes after we got there. And it rained and it rained and it rained. Oh man, it was monsoons. Anyway, we got some pictures and some video. We didn't get a whole array of videos in. We just only have I think 3 of our videos this time. So you're gonna have to bear with me. This is gonna be our car show cam video. Very little on it, just driving in and parking, and then a little bit of rain, and then we drive through the car show on the way out. It was just an odd weekend. It was a bad weekend all the way around for us. Everything that could go wrong went wrong, and we just kind of made the best of it. You know, sometimes you got to do that. You just got to take the good with the bad, and soldier on with it and push through. So. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We are at 384 subscribers, which is awesome. It helps grow the channel, all the likes and subscribes, watching the videos. It helps YouTube know that people enjoy what we're doing. So, I'm going to shut up. We're going to get you out to Macclenny to the car show. So, let's rev up the car show!
Building the Wawas. Not sure where they got the car show at in here, but we're gonna find it. Yeah. I saw an old square body parked at Murphy. Damn! Yeah. There it is! Yeah. And it is quite large. Yeah, I see that. It is. It's huge. Yeah. Now I'm wishing you'd brought your scooter. Where are you planning on parking? I'm thinking I'm going to park Hal's here with his truck. Going down this aisle? Yeah, I'm going to go down this aisle. I think I might can park far out there. Yeah. Or maybe on this next aisle over here. Mm-hmm. Although it's looking like no. Because everybody came down this aisle. Mm-hmm. That one didn't look like it was even in the parking spot, did it? Mm-mm. Just walk across there. He's got one thing on his mind, looking at trucks, dear. Gonna back up and wait on his. don't think he's getting in or out.
Okay.
Can't tell.
Where's my camera at? And how does this thing turn on? Oh, it's got a button on the top.
Actually, no. It's a button on the front.
Oh.
You hold the button on the front till it lights up.
Okay.
And then when you want to record, you push the button on top. Oh, hey, right there.
Nope.
Nope.
Buggy corral. Wait a minute. Did he just turn in?
Yes, I believe he did.
Okay. Yeah, I ain't seeing no spot either. Gonna go park in the Murphy?
I'm tempted. I may just need to let you out.
Yeah. I'll park over there.
What about right there by that white truck?
Okay.
I'll have to go down here and go in.
Mm-hmm.
You mean to show you how to use that GoPro?
Yeah, in a minute. Well, you said you turn the light button on the front, and when you get ready to record, you hit the stop button.
Well, I'll show you.
Is there a parking spot there?
Yeah, right there by that gray truck.
Okay.
He's in there fucking crooked.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
That's what they're doing, parking for the show, it looks like. Were you just trying to call me?
Yes, I was trying to call you to see if you want me to come get you. Because I'd have come got you.
It's quite wet.
Mm-hmm.
Here. You want to see what I got? I did get one walk around. There's an old car up at the very front that has digital light up eyes, open and close eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I got 2 rows. Alright.
Take that.
Mm-hmm. Or go up that one.
That's where I was planning to go.
Okay.
Because I was hoping I could find one on this side.
Mm-hmm. Well, right there, but
I may come back to that.
yeah.
Taking up 4 damn parking spots. Hey, I can park right here.
Okay. Alright, I got everything.
I was about to call you and tell you to wrap it up.
Yeah.
I didn't pour yours in here because I didn't think you needed it.
No, I don't. My head's a little wet. Better it than the top of my head, though, I guess. My hair's still wet. Where's my... Oh, there it is.
Right down there.
Yeah.
Oh, and I learned something.
What?
Don't wipe your windows with the window cracked.
No? Did you get wet?
Oh, no, but it come poured in this window.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Yeah.
This fixing to come raining again, I believe.
Something behind you?
No, it's being careful.
Okay.
Because I can't see.
Yeah. Even with the rain, it was still pretty good turnout.
Yeah.
The ones that stayed. Yeah. And I told Holly you was out in the car, our truck was down, you couldn't bring the scooter. There's Holly. She said, yeah. I said, they sure did like them pickles. I said, yeah, I didn't bring any today, I forgot. She says, you need to bring them to the car shows. I says, I have been trying to. Kevin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You could ride down through them now if you wanted to. They're open. Get it on camera. You just can't go over there in their crowd.
But I'll loop around and come out that one.
Okay. I gotta walk around to that one. There was one that had a unique, might have been that one that had a unique hood ornament. It might have been over there. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's starting to rain heavy again.
Yeah. Yeah. But just wanted you to see what was over here.
Mm-hmm.
There's one over there that looks like El Camino, but it says it's a Chevelle.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I took more pictures of it.
Can I get through there?
Yeah. You're good. Some of them come back, too.
Yeah?
Yeah, that one just come back. I got pictures of him. But it's tan. But that's it right there. You'd think that's El Camino. It's a Chevelle. It says it's Chevelle on the hood.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's definitely an El Camino body.
Yeah. It says Chevelle on the hood.
Huh.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that odd?
Yeah. Recognize that. That's what I was thinking was, Saul Custom seller earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Recognize those two.
Yeah. I don't think I got a picture of that one. Or that. Yeah, I think I did. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
after as big as the S show this was,
Yeah.
you get what you get.
Yeah.
My shirt's behind your head if you want to put it on.
No, I'm alright. Stop sign. Now, he didn't have a stop sign.
Yeah, he did. It's
Did
just
he?
laid over.
Oh, okay. I was halfway thinking about a Dunkin' Donut coffee.
I was gonna. That's a Starbucks actually.
Well, there's Starbucks here. There's a Dunkin' back there too.
I was gonna offer, and then it come a full on raining, and then we moved, and I didn't think about it again.
Mm-hmm.
But I did think about it for half a second.
We'd be up all night long, and I got to work tomorrow.
Yeah, good point.
Mm-hmm.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Christian Cruisers of Macclenny second annual Walmart car show in Macclenny. This was a good show. Would have been better if everything had gone well on our end and their end. But you can't control Mother Nature, and stuff happens that you really just can't plan for. It was one big old S show for our weekend. Weird stuff happened Saturday morning. we didn't make it out as early as we had wanted to, blah, blah, blah. And then on their end, you can't control the weather. Because the time we got there, the skies opened up and it rained and it rained and it rained. We needed the rain, don't get me wrong. I just wish it wouldn't rain on Saturday so much. Or if it's going to rain late on Saturday. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to keep going out to the car shows. We're going to keep going to as many as we can. It's really going to get interesting coming up because I know we got one weekend where there's like 6 shows on one day and there's no way we're making it to all of them. I think we're going to make it to 2 that day. So anyway, we are at 384 subscribers at the time of this recording. I appreciate all you guys that are subscribers. We're trying to grow the channel, so any likes, subscribes, comments, watch the videos. It lets YouTube know that people are enjoying what I'm putting out. We're trying to shake up and do some new stuff. I mean, I keep adding new things to the channel. Let me know if you guys like them. Because I don't know what people like and don't like. I just, kind of see other people do certain things. And I go, oh, that's kind of neat. Let me do that. So, I mean, if it's something that annoys you guys, tell me about it. Put it in the comments. It'll work for me. To say, hey, don't do the map thing, or don't do the blending this or that. So, just let me know. So, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we're going to keep going out to the car shows. So, we'll see you guys at the car show, wherever and whenever it may be.